How to manage cold and cough. Number 1. Get plenty of rest and don't exert the body. Yogic practices like Nabhi Shwasa, Brahmari, and Ujjayi Pranayam and Yoga Nidra can be extremely useful to relax the nasal, throat, and nervous system. Second, take a spoon of age-old Hamdard Joshina, which is made of 12 essential herbs like tulsi, mulethi, etc., in warm water twice a day. Third, drink plenty of warm fluids, which will help you thin the mucus and moist the respiratory tract. Also, avoid skipping meals, late nights, cold meals, dairy products, and overexerting the mind. And don't forget to start Hamdard Joshina at the onset of cold and cough. Hope you found this useful. Do share it with your loved ones.